Hello guys, I'm Moid Ahmad, an English teacher and a trainer. Guys, welcome to another video. Guys, there is a misconception about English speaking that English cannot be spoken without a proper knowledge, without a complete knowledge of the grammar. So guys, this is the misconception I am going to talk about in this video. So guys, now it's normal for me when somebody asks me a question like this, can English be spoken without learning grammar? Guys, I always reply in positive. I say yes, of course, English can be spoken without learning grammar. And guys, believe me, it is 100% true. It is 100% correct that English can be spoken without learning grammar, because you see that a large number of people, a big number of people are speaking English without learning grammar because it is their first language, it is their mother tongue. Though many of them learn the grammar later to speak and write the language more correctly. But guys, the big question is, why is someone asking a question like this? Why is he looking for a shortcut? He has no more time to spend for something like this, or he is unnecessarily scared of the grammar, or it is due to any other reason. Guys, in this video I am not going to find out and tell you the exact reason why you don't want to learn the grammar. But guys, my motto to make this video is to tell you what you actually need to do if you want to have a communication skill and you are living in a non-English speaking environment. What you actually need to do. So guys, first of all, let's know these simple and well-known facts about English speaking. Guys, grammar is the backbone of a language. Doesn't matter it is English or any other language. To speak and write a language correctly, learning grammar is must. But only for communicating with each other, you can do this without having a proper knowledge of the grammar. But then you need an environment. Mean English must be around you. Guys, as far as learning grammar is concerned, I would say, or I think that it is not possible sometime even after learning the grammar alone. I mean, you will not be able to speak proper English even after learning the grammar alone, because I know many, they are good at grammar, their English is good, they can write 100 sentences without a single error, without making a single mistake in their writing, but they are not speaking proper English. They can hardly speak a few sentences. So guys, now I can say that if you are living in a non-English speaking environment and you want to have a communication, a better communication skill and an effective communication skill in English, I would say that you have no option first to learn the grammar. Though basic grammar, you are not going to learn every typical rule of the grammar. No, not at all. You need just to know how to frame the sentences. And when you feel that now I have become able to frame the simple and small sentences, now you must, I am going to speak the most important sentence in my video. Now you need to start speaking these simple sentences, these easy sentences, these small sentences with your partner, with your friend, if you have any. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video.